incoming. Ah, you got me. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Looking like a real team. We got the green light. We're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoot. You're up in 3. Enemy activity will be high. Contact early and often.
Let's get this done.
என்னடா ஃபாதர்ஸ் டேக்கு என்ன பண்ணீங்க ஸ்பெஷல் ஐக்க
Secure as much cash as you can. You are free to get greedy.
அப்புறம்
Mark a drop point for your squad and lead them in.
டின்னர் என்ன பிரியாணியா
Just vada.
வடாயா உன்னுக்கு இல்லடா உங்க அப்பாவுக்குடா
அதான் தயிர் வடை. Oh, hopefully it'll pass now. Oh, thank God.
என்ன இன்வெஸ்ட்ல போறானுங்க ரெண்டு பேரும்
கோல்டு இருக்கா?
ம் ஆமா எங்கடா ஏலியன் தனியா வரான் யாராவது பாராசூட்ல வந்துருக்கான்
நேரம் வந்துருக்கு.
இவ்வளவு நேரம் என்ன பண்ற ஜம்ப் பண்ணாம பேக் பண்ண ரிவைவ் பண்ண வெயிட் பேக் பண்ண ஐம் கம்மிங்
No, Pac-Man is alive. Alien is down.
ஓ ஏலியன் இஸ் டவுன் ஓகே ஒன் கை கில்ட்
I killed one guy.
Here, வாரம் Ganesh. எங்க இருக்கான் அவன்?
இங்க இருக்கானா சைனீஸ் நைட்டா ஹேக்கர் அடிக்க முடியல ஏம் போட் நைட்
பார்த்துட்டான் நாய்.
வண்டியில வந்து ஏத்திட்டாங்க நல்ல வேலை அவனை பட் ஏலியன் இன்னும் சாவாம தான் இருக்கான் அவனை ரிவைவ் பண்றேன்னா பண்ணிக்கோ
போகிறோம். பட் இவன் அடிச்சிருவானே எல்டிவி நாய்.
இல்ல டக்குனு மலை மாறி ஏறிட ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை வந்துட்டு இருக்கான்.
Oh, he's coming.
டெர்மைட் இந்த எதாவது போட்டு விட்டுருங்க இல்லை மைன் ஏதாவது போட்டு விட்டுருங்க அந்த வண்டி மேலே.
We got him. Alien got disconnected.
எங்கடா ஏலியன் என்னாச்சு எங்க போனா
போயிட்டு வரேன்னு சொன்னார்ல.
அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு கேம் ஆடுங்கண்ணா.
Alien is here.
Marking self-revive.
Oh, it shows it's been kicked out or something from the server. That symbol is there, right next to him.
Marking self-revive.
Pac-Man, you can take one.
Let Ganesh take it.
He took all.
No, I already have.
No.
Alien is there.
Oh, Alien is back again.
Alien is disconnected.
It disconnected.
That's what we see.
Who's this thick anime?
Yeah,
I think that is Alien talking. Why don't we do some contracts recon? Since Alien is away. also drop some cash. Got plenty of cash.
Solid copy. Bird is inbound for cash extraction. Be advised, cash drop is inbound. Bag set. Extract bird is standing by. There's a redeployed drone over here.
Train வருதுடா. Train எடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாமா?
Let's get on the train.
Let's do some action in train.
But make sure there's nobody on the train first.
Mm.
Oh, me too.
Returning to base.
Stop
What the hell?
I couldn't get on, man.
Wait, I'm
Same
coming.
here.
Yeah, revive me.
I won't let you die.
Something is going on, right? You cannot climb over obstacles. Something
This is
weird.
how we
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's take the train, then we'll see where enemies are there.
There's a car here.
Setting mine.
Enemy JLTV here.
Bomb drone deployed.
Bomb drone ready for detonation.
He's going away.
Where? A car is there, but if you want to stop it.
Enemy vehicle.
I'm gonna try with the bomb drone. I wish he comes this way. Stop. No, he's going away. Shit, man.
Stop on that train,
Hey, put. Ah, good. Oh,
What
Nothing
happened?
happened.
let it be.
Tell me when to stop.
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 Stopped.
He's hiding behind here.
I'm hit.
I put a mine, let him come.
Tossing smoke grenade.
I hope he comes
What,
and
guys,
gets
both?
killed in the mine.
Wait, I'm coming. Use the self-revive, ஐக்கே.
Come on,
இல்லடா,
get
என்கிட்ட
up.
இல்ல.
I got you.
நீ தான்டா எடுத்தாங்க லூசு, நீ எடுக்கலையா?
நான் எடுக்கல, பாக்கணும்.
நீ எடுக்காம தான் எங்களை எடுக்க சொன்னியா?
Come on. Wait, let him come. Somehow draw him over. There is a mine on the ground.
Yeah, disable the vehicle, guys. Go and take him down. Yeah, destroy the vehicle. Go. Charge, Pac-Man.
Doing that.
Alien is waiting. Wait till Alien. Few minutes. We're chasing one. Where he is?
They must have jumped down, gone near the buy station, I think.
Or he could have climbed up. Not sure. If we are not able to find, then hey, he's taken the vehicle. He's here, man. He's near to me. Come fast. He's going the vehicle, guys. Come fast. Shit.
So you guys go. I'll get a vehicle.
He's here, man. He's here. I marked where the vehicle he dropped. Oh God. He escaped, man. Pac-Man, chase him.
Requesting counter UAV.
Copy. Counter UAV is blocking enemy recon.
Ganesh, wait.
Strikes are restocked. Advise you load up.
Went away.
In a vehicle?
So fast, man.
Yeah.
Somebody's on the train.
No, nobody's on the train.
No, who started the train?
எங்க இருக்கான் அந்த
I don't know.
ஐவரி டார்கெட்
But in my area,
இல்ல
there are
ட்ரெயின்
a lot of
ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா
people.
போய்டும்.
Oh, somebody dropping cash.
ஏறு.
Counter UAV disengaging.
I need mid-caliber rounds.
He must be on the roof for sure. இறங்கிட்ட கணேஷ் நான்.
He's here.
Where?
He killed me,
Down?
man. I don't know how. What gun
Why
is
he-
that? The place I marked. It is still there. He's still there.
அடி கணேஷ். சூப்பர் கணேஷ்.
கமெண்ட் தூக்கி போட்டான் நான் இப்போ.
That is
Down
a
punter.
BAL, whatever that is, right? Is it BAL? DAL? What is that one called? BAS?
So much cash he is at. Let me call cash. Hey, alien is waiting. Let's go after this. We'll drop the cash and go.
No, you guys play.
Coming. Alien, no need to come. Wait, we'll come.
We will come, alien.
This guy. I'm listening to your voice.
Point. Bag is set for deposit.
Oh,
Leave
shit.
match.
Stupid fuck.
Come back and drop the cash.